Hello, Jen. This is Adriana with the Montgomery team, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why am I doing this right now? Well, on Mondays, I read minds. And the answer is because oftentimes, in the world of the ever changing, growing internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company in a sure and continuous way. Often, the only hesitation that a CEO will have towards hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who is not. In order to address that, I give people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free. A lot of it has resulted in local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "This is great. Can you do this for me?" So, that said, I'm going to give you some big free pointers as to how to rank your business higher on Google. That is where 85% of the world's searches are done daily. Now, if by the end of this video you like what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these free attack moves and make your own plan, I wish you the best. I am here to help. All right, now let's show you those 3 things that will set your company above your competition. Starting with your website, we want to talk about content. First of all, I just want to say that I like your logo. I like that the picture keeps changing here in the top left. Good content. Now, in respect to Google and being optimized, you need at least 1,500 words on your landing page to be optimized with Google. And your site currently holds approximately 600 words. Now, we want to measure against the competition to see how much do we need exactly to be, to do more than all your competitors. For example, Warren Averett is one of your competitors because they show up on the first page when you Google accounting firms in Tampa. They have 1,520 words on their landing page, which is nice, but also very beatable. Now, a tool that we're going to use here today in order to do some more measurement is called SEO Quake. It is free. Once you download it, it will pop up here in the top right. If you'll go under density, it will let you see what your site is actually ranking for. Your site is dense with these keywords: CPA for number 1, CHEN for number 2, 8 times, JIN number 3, 6 times, services 6 times, and the last one there, number 5, tax. That's also 6 times, which is good, but it's not currently fully optimized for the buyers who are searching for the services that you offer. The more words we put in there that we know are being searched, the more traffic you will get to your company, the more sales there are to be made because there's more opportunity. Now, taking a look at your competition again, we go under SEO Quake. Once you download it, you click there and you go under density. Going under density, you can see what they're ranking for as well. Their top words are services, 33 times they used it, Tampa, 31 times, tax, 31 times, Warren, 27 times, and Averett, 23 times, because that's their name. Now, the order and the frequency matter. Each word or phrase is trending at a different level, which is vital to achieving greater financial success in your case and in any business owner's case, because certain verbiage carry lesser or greater buyer intent. So that those are the words that people who are ready to buy now will be searching with. All right? So let's see, for example, when you Google the word, let's say, services, because that was one of their top keywords, right, with the competitor. So when you Google services, you find out using keywords everywhere is one of the tools that we use. It is Googled 823,000 times per month. There's no wonder why they use that word. They must know that it is searched so many times per month. If you try it again, try it with the word Tampa. That was their number 2 keyword. Tampa is Googled 246,000 times per month. Because they know these things, they use these words more often. They get more people to their website. And I could do the same for you. Your competition is beatable. Your company can take precedence over theirs with my help or with using these steps. Now, moving forward, I do want to show you the layout a little bit further of Google so we can talk about how to get to the top of those Google pages. When searching on Google, the very first thing that you see at the top are ads. You see here, it's just one ad. More often, it's more than just one, it has a few ads. Now, that means that people are paying Google to be up there. However, studies show that ads are only semi effective, and they can become a money pit if ads are not effective all the time. So, this means that you want to use Google Ads cautiously and not as your only method. So, what else can we do, you ask? Well, go below this map here. This is called the Google Map Pack. We also call it the Snack Pack. Under here, you can see companies that are ranking for what's called NAPs. NAP, name, address, and phone number. Every time their name, address, and phone number is listed, it's considered a citation. So Google is showing you who is showing up the most, who is has the most citations out there, who is the most popular according to Google, like a popularity contest. Now, how do we do that? How do we do anything about that, you ask? Well, with my team, we use what's called White Spark. Now, under White Spark, it costs $0 to start, and you can level up based on your plans on how to use it. But when using it, we can see that your site, JIN, CHEN, CPA, PA, has 13 citations. All right. And the competition there would have more like 63 citations is one, but the one we were looking at, Warren Averett, has 39 citations. That is certainly someone to beat out. And you can see that all of these citations, when you click on them, they are neatly displayed. Let's click under Warren Averett. Clicking under Warren Averett, you can see this is easy to reference where they got all of their citations from. This is something we can use as a list, a checkoff list of good places to get citations from. All right. Now, next up is the third and the last topic. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. As you can see, when we're looking for accounting in Tampa, your company is not a top result. It doesn't show up on the front page, which is okay because that is the goal. That is what we want to make happen. This is where you want to be so that when it is sought 210 times per month, you can be on the front page and take that opportunity. Link juice, simply put, it works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, and site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. Like we said, it's a popularity contest. But there is a little bit more to it. Not all links are created equal. The links you obtain work more efficiently when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you say have myhomepro.org, that would be much more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You want people that care about their money. So people that care about their home often care about their money. That would be a great citation for you to have. Things like that I offer. Now, going back into SEO Quake that we clicked on earlier, we want to go under your link for JIN, CHEN, CPA, PA. Go under page information on the top left there. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see backlinks. Your backlinks, you have 4. So that's a little bit of link juice. Of course, we want to compare to see how much link juice do we need in this case. In this case, looking under Warren Averett, scrolling down a little bit under page info, they have only 42 backlinks, which is a bit, but it is very beatable. Within a matter of months, you can put effort, deliberate effort into that. You can beat that. So this information here is very useful. You can click on it and go into this. You can see each backlink that they have that gives them a solid, a solid backlink to count towards their credit on Google, to count towards how popular they are. So we can go in there and we can see they have WEDU, UFOtech.com, manufacturingcpas.com. Those are some of their strongest links. We can use that list one by one to make your own site stronger. Now, once again, just to summarize everything we talked about, one, we talked about content. We want your front page to have at least 1,500 words from top to bottom. Two, citations. You want to have 200 to 300 citations so you can beat out the competition by a landslide and for the long run. Now, the last part and the third part was the link juice. You do need more relevant websites pointing at your website to show Google that you are the authority. If you implement these strategies today, you will rank higher and higher until your company is showing as a top result across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information that I have provided you here today and do all this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call. My direct line is 727-655-9377. Once again, my name is Adriana and my direct line is 727-655-9377. I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you're well. Have a great rest of your day.